Yep, made it Sonic. It's a different Sonic. And you're probably wondering why I'm going now. Okay, the reason why we're going to Sonic now is because we're racing a different location. That's right. We are racing in Tulsa today. It's not until 4 o'clock. So to go with the tradition, we need to get the Sonic, or better yet, I need to get the Sonic. And you're in for store what I'm going to order. So here we go. Okay, a big bag to reveal. What do you think it is? You betcha. We're vibing today. You got that? We're vibing. Anyway, same bag they've been doing the past couple times. But, oh my gosh, I can smell what's already in these. There we go, guys. They're famous onion rings, and boy, these things are so hot right now. I'd love to eat it, but I'll tell you what, I'm gonna have to wait till I get home and eat this. So anyway, with that, let's go ahead and get the trailer all hooked up. Let's get it onto the track and get set up. This is an even race, so we'll be there leaving the house around 4:45. Then racing won't start till about 6 or so, qualifying. So this is a evening race there at Tulsa. So anyway, looking forward to that, seeing some of my friends out there. And I think some friends from Mocan will be there. So, okay guys, a little bit different day today. We're actually going up to Tulsa to race. We're in Mocan last weekend for the 61st anniversary race. If you watch the videos, you know how that turned out. Anyway, so we're going to be in 2 classes here today. Typically I only run 1 class, but since they got a lot of different classes running today, there's a big break between the 2 classes. So I'm going to do Super Pro and No E today. So with that, let's go and get down the road. Unfortunately, we will not be stopping the Sonic on the way there, but if you watch the opening video, you know what I already did. Pops doesn't know. Yeah, he can watch the video, he'll find out. So anyway, with that, let's get on to the track. It is what it is. Yeah. Oh well, we'll park in the sun for now. Well, we're here at Tulsa. We're on the sunny side of the trailer, but it is what it is. But when the sun goes down, we'll be all in the shade. So it's not too bad out here. It's 90 degrees. So let's get ready to get started. Where are you going? Oh, it's hot in there. Okay, qualifying's done. One he spun once, right? That was on the No E pass. Super Pro, we had no problem spinning. No, take it back. We didn't have any problem spinning. So anyway, Eliminations coming up next. Okay, first round of No E coming up. Got a 667 on it. Here we go, 667 to an 842. Oh, don't screw up. Sorry guys, sure just stayed in the freaking gas. Okay guys, sorry about that. 052 light, gotta get better. Okay, Super Pro coming up. I got a 667 on it. Got Mr. Metzinger. He's got a pretty fast Mopar. Guys, that was a great light. I thought that thing was gonna go red, it didn't. So the win in Super Pro. Okay, round 2, no E coming up. Give you an update on the Super Pro. We both have pretty good identical lights, 020s, and he just ran off and I ran dead on. So here we go. Got a 666 on it. Hopefully that's enough if I don't screw it up. It got a really good light on this one. Nighttime I kind of struggle with my lights. Seems like I get worse as the night goes on. Okay, like I said, I got a 666 on it and he has a 735. Crappy light. Yeah, I'm sucking at the lights tonight. Man, sometimes I wonder why I even come out. Yeah. It's just disheartening to keep going out second round all the time. Okay, I got a 665 and I got against a fast dragster. This is round 2 of Super Pro. 491, that's got a quick dragster. Okay, 491 to 665, so hit that damn tree. A good light. Heat red light, but heat red light. Mine felt like a decent light, but I really don't know. I didn't adjust any of the delay, so find out when we get back. Look at the app. Okay, I got a 666 on it against a 584. That was a good run there. Thank you. Really good light. Whomped a couple times. So it's gonna be a good light. I took 5 out on the delay box. 5 or 3. Okay, guys. Oh, good go, guys. It's late night. Okay. Round 4 Super Pro. Got a 666 on it. I know. And I got Jeremy Maples fast dragster 470s. So just gonna keep my foot in it unless I know otherwise, but we'll see what happens. It's hovering right there at a 665, high 65 or a 666. I had so many 666 or 667s tonight. I think I'll be okay, but who knows? Hope I'm doing the right thing. If not, hey, it is what it is. Really badly. Hope that's good enough to get a buy. There's only 5. Might have a buy to final. Okay, guys, round 5 Super Pro semis. Down the last 3 cars. Okay, here we go. 6A, 607. don't know where that one came from, but it definitely broke out. Oh, it is what it is. We got down in semis, got some money. Did good. All right, got my check. Yay! It's a little bit better than the last time we had here. We got down to the semis in Super Pro. A lot of good racers out there, no doubt about it. Maybe I should just abandon no E and go get just stay in Super Pro. So, I don't know. Let's get the car loaded up and let's get on home and get out of here because it's a late night. What, is it tomorrow yet? Yes, it is. It is tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys. We are done right now. It says right rear door ajar. Guess that means it's still open. Anyway, yeah. We got done. Semis, no E. Let's just face it, I sucked tonight. The last race was pretty close. It was a 003 margin of victory, but still it's a loss. Second round. So, but Super Pro, definitely we've been doing a, here, turn light on. You see me or not? Super Pro been doing a lot better, especially tonight. Getting down the semis. We missed the by 2000s. Cody Moore actually ended up winning the race, so congratulations, Cody. But other than that, man, back to a money round, which is great. So anyway, we can close out the video. It's late. It's almost 12:30 here, Sunday morning. So with that, man, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe, hit that like button, do whatever you got to share it. Yep, the arm pads are pretty tight.
So they're tough.
They're tough.